Hello, welcome. My name is Joshua. This is day 104 of my day trading journey. So today, I did take a trade, but it was like a more like a test. So I wanted to try out a new strategy, and I'll basically go over that strategy, but it didn't work out at the end. So this is basically the strategy. So I go on the daily. I look for the candle, like the what is it called, first candle. So it was this one right here for Thursday, and then I marked like the low, right? I marked the low and high. So if I mark it out right here, so this is the low, and this is gonna be my take profit, right? And I marked out the high. So I wanted this high to get swept right here, and then after that, I wanted to get like a liquidity sweep, right? We got that, and I wanted it to go basically back to the downside because overall we were, what is it called, bearish right here. Even though we had a bearish day, I mean a bullish day right here, I was still bearish overall. And I wanted to see if I could just enter like at the entry was not good. The entry was not planned. I just wanted to see if I could enter and get out at the bottom right here. But obviously that didn't work out. I was expecting the drawn liquidity to be at least this low right here. And it could still be because we're currently in a fair value gap on the daily. As you can see, second time tapping into it. So I could be seeing some like reversal to the downside by here, but basically I did take a few trades on my main account. This strategy didn't really work out. I feel like it could have if it was like with normal, what is it called, looking candles, because these ones right here, it looked like it's gonna go fill this fair value gap. If there wasn't a fair value gap and we were just going down, it most likely would have worked out. And I'll try it out another time, but I'll just go over the current. So I did take two trades, or was it just one? I did, yeah, two trades. I took one losing trade and one winning, and I ended up break even basically, because the first trade was 110 and the second was 53. So this trade right here, if I go on replay, I basically took it based off of this fair value gap right here. As you can see, respected it, two candles out, entered off of that, and it just went back up to the upside. And my bias was bearish here, but as you can see on the 4 hour or higher time frame, right, we are moving like very sideways, so it's not really worth it taking a trade. So like next time if I'm actually taking a trade, I just need to like watch out for these kind of things and just look out and see if it's like consolidating, because if it's consolidating on the 4 hour, then the 5 minute is not going to be any better, right? It's just going to be going like, especially on the 1 hour, there's no basic, there's like there isn't a, what is it called, a solid what is called trend right here, so it's just not worth it. And on the 5 minute, as you see, it's just not good price action. It's just, I have to realize these things more when I'm actually taking the trade. And my other trade, it was way better if I can find it. Which one was it? It was the first Tuesday. Was it this one? No way it was that short. It was most likely let me just mark it here on, because I do take my trades on the 1 hour. I mean on the 1 minute, not the 1 hour. Yeah, no, it was not this one because this one got stopped. I think it was a different one. I don't think that one worked out. Or am I tweaking? And I'm also thinking of switching off of Bitcoin or crypto, right? Because crypto doesn't really seem to work out properly. So I'm either going back to Forex, or I might start trading futures or something. Because when I trade Bitcoin, like it works for the most part, but people say that it's not like the indicated, what is it called, market to be used in ICT concepts, and like I should be using it on Forex or indexes and stuff like that. So I might try like mini futures or something like that. What was the E-mini Nasdaq, so futures, E-mini S&P. So just, I could also trade indexes though. I feel like I'm just gonna try something new instead of just sticking to Bitcoin. Cause the strategy, like my strategy, it definitely does work, but Bitcoin just doesn't really follow that as much. I want to just try something else, see if it would actually follow it. So for this weekend, I'm just gonna backtest and see on different time frames if I want to choose. If I still want to stick to crypto, then I'll stick with it at the end of the weekend. But I'll see if I want to choose forex, indexes, or futures. It's just three of those. I'm not gonna switch to anything else. I don't want to go options or anything like that. I don't want to use. I don't want to trade commodities or anything. I'm just gonna stick to like high liquidity markets, right? Something that I can actually trade easily. Kind of like forex, right? So forex is probably gonna be the main one. I just don't know which one to trade. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.